Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're gonna see how to add multiple pictures on Instagram. First thing you need to do is to launch the Instagram app and ensure you are logged in into your account. First, to launch the Instagram app and ensure you're logged in into your account. Tap your profile picture at the top left corner of the home screen. Alternatively, just tap the plus icon at the top or bottom of the screen, then choose Story. In Story mode, tap the gallery icon to pick an image from your device. To take a new photo, just tap the camera icon. After selecting the first photo, tap the sticker icon. Then choose the photo sticker to add more images. Repeat to add more photos, one at a time. Now drag and drop photos to arrange them as you like, and use Instagram's tools to add text, stickers or drawings on each photo. Now tap your story at the bottom to post, and you can also share it with specific friends by tapping the arrow icon and choosing the recipients. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.